they are really nice.
Okay, okay.
But this time, I want some volunteer to do this one.
Oh, sir, Drew. I'm the volunteer to...
Okay, so that quick.
Sir,
You?
I'm also volunteer.
Okay,
Very
Okay.
good. Now, maybe this one is the guy, and this one her
Okay.
girlfriend. So, I'm
You, last guy.
last guy, yeah.
Okay.
So, you have to stand right here, and I'm stand like this. You got your hips. You move backward. Stay like this. Go.
Yeah.
What's the problem? What?
They beat me. You see, the guest beat me.
Because you're wrong.
Why?
I see you. Ha!
Huh?
Yeah. Don't like this. Do this. I teach you before. Do. How? That's so blue, you see. So blue. Oh, you see?
That's
Oh,
why.
when you hit, then you go CCTV camera. Do this. Cross your hand,
Cross in my hand.
then pop it. Pop it.
Yeah.
Do it right.
That is right.
Let me try. Come on.
Let me try again.
Come on. Let me try. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get. Ow! No! It's so wrong!
What's the position?
Do this. Cross your hand.
Cross my hand.
Right.
No. I'm like this.
Sorry. Do this. Then you pump it. Pump it. What is it? Okay, let me try. Come on.
So after the problem, we have to do like this. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8.
Get out.
Like
We can get out, not pound it.
Okay.
But okay, is it okay?
But I have to show you the second ones that I have been traveling.
Quick. I have no time to see that. Because you're always wrong. I teach you before.
Yeah. That's why I have to teach you. Okay. In the situation is like this, you come ready. Still okay? Mr. The Rock wants to know what we are doing. Okay? So I'm the staff room.
Okay. Quick.
Go. Oh my God! You hit me! They pushed me!
You're wrong again.
Me?
Because
They beat me! You see? They beat
when
me!
you go down, and you beat, then you again. Stand up.
Right, right.
Then like this.
After they bound me and they beat me and then I was like that.
Do it, right? Let me try. Come on. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7. It's not wrong.
I get ready trouble and then
I teach you before. Do not like that. Do this, God.
I'm scared. I'm in trouble. So
I know, but you're so wrong. You're wrong. When you hit, and this, it's not that. Then correct your head. Stop it.
okay. I beat. I go like this
Yeah. Stand up.
and then go like this and pound it.
No. You're always wrong. I will beat you.
The trouble is like this and they see me double it and then I do like pop it.
Go stop. Go your position.
Okay, I'm wrong.
You're always wrong.
Yeah.
Do this.
What?
Cross your hand.
Cross my hand.
See the CCTV camera. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm crying.
See? What happened?
I look like I'm smiling, but I'm crying. I'm scared. And you know that situation what we are was.
Okay, sige.
You know that
May isang time.
okay. I want to show you because I know trouble.
So,
I'm the first part.
I know. Start.
This is the part.
Oh, isa way ng tatay, no? Start.
Okay,